Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Empress D. It's nice to have you. If you're a returning subscriber, hi family, and welcome back. If you're new, back to you guys. Please go ahead and join this family and subscribe to this channel. Drop me a like, drop me a comment, let me know what you guys think. I always want to hear from you guys. So today is my mommy's birthday, and I am basically doing this look for her or in honor of her. So if you guys want to see how I have achieved this look, then just go ahead and stay tuned.
Well, they can't dictate my pace like the old people say. You can't study people who go help you when you're back against the wall. You can't study people who go pick you up in case you fall. If they don't like you, then you're doing something right. Just keep on doing it. Let them respect you for
Right guys, so as usual we are starting with one eye completed, and we are going to replicate this eye over here. My hair is out like it's natural, and I just can't be bothered to do it this week, so I'm going to do it next week. So you guys are going to see my hair for the week, okay? So we are going to be using this beauty. Now I bought this a while ago, and I keep forgetting all these palettes that I bought like a while ago. So I found this little tiny thing here. So I am going to use this Huda Beauty Ruby Obsession palette, and then I'll dip into the Jamrock Universal for, I think, black. I think that's it. Yep. Okay, I've layered on everything that I want from the Huda Beauty palette, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit of black from the Jamrock Universal palette. And when I say little, like the tiniest amount, okay? That is pretty much it for the blending. So I'm going to go in and cut my crease.
Purchase your tracks today.
And now I'm going to go in with this beautiful silver from Glitter Chick.
Beats by SV.com.
Purchase your tracks today.
Right, so I've finished the eyes, and I just need to put my lashes on. So I will put my lashes on, and then I'll just complete my look.
Beats by SV.com.
Purchase your tracks today.
Beats by SV.com.
Purchase your tracks today.
And let me just see, before anyone comes to me and the shade of my foundation, this is is what happens when you order online. Obviously, I know that it's a tad bit darker than my skin tone, but I make it work, okay, for the purpose of my videos only, okay?
Purchase your tracks today.
Beats by SV.com.
Purchase your tracks today.
Beats by SV.com.
Purchase your tracks today.
Beats by SV.com.
So